Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to make our first AR filter using Spark AR Studio. You don't need any technical knowledge or any software related knowledge to make this. You just need to have a Facebook account and then we are good to go. So first search Spark AR on your browser. You will find this link, Spark AR Studio. Simply go down and click on download now. Once you have downloaded this Spark AR Studio, just set it up on your computer, whichever device you have. It doesn't matter whether you have Windows or Mac, it's available for both. Just download the latest version and then click on Manage Effects. Here it will ask for your Facebook details. Simply log into your Facebook account to continue further. Once you have logged in, you will be redirected to the Spark AR Hub. This is the page where you can see all the filters you have created and also the insights. So once you are done with this, open Spark AR. I think it's just better I open from starting. Okay. Open Spark AR Studio. It will take some time to open for the first time. Since this is our first AR filter, we are going to make an easy one, of course. So we'll take help with this pre-made template. So double click, it will take some time to open for the first time. Okay, so this is our workspace. I'll just maximize it. So coming to our workspace, in the top left area, we have the scene. In scene, we can see all our devices over here. This is the device where our filter is being previewed. This is the camera. You can change the camera settings. And this is our microphone. All the devices are listed over here. In the bottom left section, we have our assets. Assets are all the 2D and 3D objects that you are adding to your filter. In the right, we have our properties column. In the properties column, whichever thing you click over here, that will straight away expand up in the properties section. This is our sidebar. In the sidebar, we can pause our preview, we can resume it, we can reset it. And for changing our camera, just click on video and click to your, if you want to have your own view over here, for example this. I'm not sitting in a good lighting condition, so it might not look good, but it depends on your webcam quality and your lighting. It's better to use, I think, all these faces over here. Sardarji is looking very happy. We'll just use this, and these are our layers. So layers is a bit complex topic. I mean, if you have used Photoshop before, then it's very easy for you to understand. It's very similar to Photoshop only, but the only thing here is that you are actually making 3D objects. You are playing with 3D objects. So if you are using Mac, then you can just press command, or if you're using Windows, press control, and then you can simply hover around your filter how it looks like. This is going to be useful when you are making or when you're using 3D objects. So there are basically two layers which come with you. The first is the user layer and the background layer. Layer 0 is just a new layer if you want to add. User layer is the user. User is basically this person, and the background layer is behind. It's just behind the person, obviously, but its background layer is the last layer. If you want to add some more layers, see, all the layers which are on the top are on the front, and as you go down, the bottom layer is the back layer. So on the top we have layer 0, then user layer, and then background layer. This is the hierarchy. Now coming back to this scene, in this you will find canvas. So canvas is basically you can understand it by using a simple sheet of paper when you are drawing or sketching. So you have that canvas and you put all your paint and sketch pens and other things into that. So canvas is basically that, in which you will find this user. You can see this rectangular user frame is one thing, and background is just behind the user layer. You can add more canvases in your project if you want to, but today we're just going to basically start with this. So just click on the background layer or back in the background, and these are all our assets. You can click on background material. So currently we do not have any background material. So first we add something in our assets. Click on add asset and choose any other photo. Yeah, this party image looks good. And now go to your background material. From your background material, see, material is basically if you try to understand it with cloth. So first we added a cloth here that was provided by the template. Now if we want to add some design to or design or color to that cloth, we can use it by adding a texture to it. Now to add to add these textures, we have to put them into the material. So you see, this is our background material. In our properties column, we can see this. Okay, so the texture is some plainly. It's named replace me. So just go to this party image texture and add it. And yes, you have your party image over there. So if you want to add something like the Eiffel Tower or any other monument in your background, or even if you want to add moon, Mars, or anything, you just simply have to pick a good photo and just check the size of the photo. You can obviously if you come to this, and you can just double click, and then you can uh, put you can arrange your photo, but that is something different. You can use it if you just crop it out correctly, then it becomes easier to use it over here. And yeah, this is our filter. You can add any other photo if you want to. See these three buttons on the top. This, when you add 3D objects to your filter, or I mean, even if you add 2D objects to your filter, when you have to move, then you can use this one. If you have to rotate them, you can use this, and if you have to resize them, you can use this. So all this is quite self-explanatory. You can hover over all these buttons and you'll get a hold of them. Now to publish your effect, I'll recommend first saving it. One more thing to see, if you want to replace the device, or for example just click on this and you can choose any other device. I have iPhone 8 right now. You can choose an Android device or anything you want. So yeah, then to publish this, click on publish, and you can record a demo video if you want to, but simply go to select publish new effect and click export. Now when you click export, just save it to, I'll just give this tutorial 123, and you have to keep in mind the file type selected is .ar export. Just save it wherever you want to, and yeah, it's done. You can also go and click upload from here, but I recommend saving it first. So once a filter is complete, the next step is to publish it on Facebook or Instagram, whichever platform you want to. Just open Chrome and search SparkAR. Once you search SparkAR, open this and click on Manage Effects. Once you click on Manage Effects, you will be redirected to SparkAR Hub. On SparkAR Hub, we can publish all the effects. Just a second. Yeah. So now just on top right, click Publish Effect. Now it's time to give your filter a unique name. You can, okay, party mood. That's not at all unique, but okay. Upload file, and then just select the file you just created. So it was tutorial 123. This will come if you do not have the latest version of SparkAR. Now I think I got an update yesterday, so it's not showing, but it's just fine. This will do your work. You can just update your SparkAR and then export it from there. Then this warning will go away. Now I want to publish it only on specific platforms only. I want it only on Facebook. So I'll just shut down, remove Instagram from it. Yeah. Select 4 categories for your filter. I'll just choose anything: world AR, love, selfies, appearance. If you want to add some keywords to it, you can do. These keywords are similar to YouTube tags, or you can say Instagram tags. They just help in uh, showing up your filter when it's being searched. I don't want to do that right now. Now the thing comes, a demo video. So demo video is basically you can just go over there and send this filter to you. You can just enter your Facebook or Instagram ID, and this filter will pop up in your Facebook. But I rather prefer to just screen record a part of our favorite Sadarji in this filter, or I mean, you can just choose any other person you want to and just screen record them, or take a small recording from your phone and put that recording in the demo video section. So I'll just upload it and show it to you how it looks. So I recorded a short demo video of the filter that we just created right now. You don't need to have any exceptional clarity or something. It's just a video to check that your filter does not have anything offensive or some sort of that. So yeah, you just have to download it and upload it over here. So go here and upload the file. Just keep in mind two things. First, the file format. Use MP4, and it accepts 2 or 3 more, but give preference to .mp4. And then second thing, that the video should be recorded only in portrait mode. It will not accept any video in landscape mode. So just keep in mind these two things. And a video thumbnail, you can just use video thumbnail, or you can upload a separate image if you want to. It doesn't matter, it's just up to you. Choose publication date as soon as possible and click submit. It will take around 15-20 seconds to upload this file. Depending upon all the videos and everything you have put, it might take even longer. So once this is done, our filter will take around 24 hours to get accepted by Facebook. Now it will show you around, I think, 3 or 4 days time. It will ask around 3 or 4 days time for the filter to get accepted, but in most cases it is done before 24 hours. Yeah. So now click on review and it will show that your filter is in review. Estimated review date is 17th November. So today it's 12th November, sorry. So 5 days, but it will not take 5 days. I know that it will get accepted by tomorrow morning. Yeah, so it's done. We have published our first effect. So now you're just left with the last step, and that is to fill the Google form link that I will provide in the description box. You just have to open the overview of the filter. You will see the share button. Just copy this link. Now when you come to this Google form, you have to fill all of your information, including college name, contact number, and complete address, so that the swags reach you, and whether it is your first Spark AR effect or not. Now over here, just paste the link that you copied right now, and the Spark AR effect ID. So you have to go over here, and you can find it, I mean, in 2-3 places. You can just copy it from here. 1 second. Yeah, so just go over here and you will find the copy effect ID. Copy effect ID, go to the form and paste it over there. Now upload screenshot of the effect. Now when you have to upload the screenshot, you will do it once our effect gets accepted. That is after 24 hours. So let the form be here and I will upload it and show it to you later. Okay, so now after almost 22 hours I'm back, and my filter got approved yesterday night. So you can see over here, there was a small update to do around 8 p.m. I got a notification on Facebook. I did that and my filter was updated and it was published at 2:43 a.m., which is around, I think, 7 or 8 hours, which is quite fast. So yeah, it's done now. Just go to visibility and click a screenshot, and this is our form. We left it over here yesterday. You can see, I'm sorry, not this one. Yeah, you can see this was the same email ID. So the effect ID and effect link is already there. The draft was restored. So now I just have to upload my screenshot. Yeah, so I've uploaded my screenshot. You can just check it in a new tab if you want to, and then just click submit. Obviously you will have to fill all these details. Once you submit this form, you will the last date to submit this form is 31st December, and after around, I think, 1 or 2 months after that, you will receive your swags. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it.